Hi, it's Mrs. Jackson. Let's get started on today's lesson. Remember our learning target? We're going to learn the try and discuss parts of our class try, discuss, connect routine. We're going to do that by going over the first 3 steps of this routine. Let's go ahead and get started by looking at our word problem. Here is our word problem. When we see a word problem, we're going to read through it 3 times. And the very first time we read through it, we're going to be asking ourselves, what is the problem about? What is it about? So here we go. Folding chairs are set up in a school auditorium for a play. There are 16 rows of chairs and each row has 28 chairs. How many folding chairs are set up for the play? So what's this problem about? Yes, they're having a performance at the school. And it's set up in the gym or the lunchroom, which a lot of times is also the auditorium. And that's usually where the stage is. And they're putting out a lot of chairs for everyone to sit in who comes to see the performance. And there's 16 rows, and every row has exactly the same amount of chairs in it. Let's go ahead and read for a second time. And this time, we're going to focus on this question here. What are we trying to find out? What's the question asking us? Go ahead and read along with me if you like. Folding chairs are set up in the school auditorium for a play. There are 16 rows of chairs. Each row has 28 chairs. How many folding chairs are set up for the play? What are we trying to find out? Oh, yes, we're trying to find out how many chairs are set up for the play or how many chairs are there in all. And we can also see that that's a question, and the question is what they want us to be able to answer. So we're going to do one more read at least through, and this time we're looking for what information is really important that we need to pull out of this problem in order to be able to solve it. So let's do that now. Read along with me. Folding chairs are set up in a school auditorium for a play. There are 16 rows of chairs. Each row has 28 chairs. How many folding chairs are set up for the play? What information is important? You're correct. The rows of chairs or the number of rows is very important. And in this case, there's 16. Yes, this number is also important, the number 28. In every row, there is 28 chairs. So let's continue and write down the information that we know. We know that we have 16 rows of chairs, and we also know that there's 28 chairs in each row, and we know what they want us to answer, which is how many chairs are there in all. So here's what you're going to do. Thinking back to the partial product strategy that we looked at in the beginning with vocabulary, or another way, go ahead and solve this problem. And after you solve this problem, you're going to share it with a partner or a caring adult. And you're going to maybe explain how you solved it, why you chose the strategy you did. You may elect to draw a picture, you may elect to do a model, you may elect to do partial products, you may ask questions. You can also use these prompts or starters when you share that. Go ahead and get busy on that, and when we come back together, we're going to talk about the different strategies that we used. Good luck.